Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores, following on from our topic of the week last Friday, which was entitled Gold is a Literal Lifesaver. We gave a couple of real-world examples of how gold has literally saved people's lives, and one of the examples featured the gold Krugerrand. We're doing a gold and silver Krugerrand special. So for the next 24 hours until 4 p.m. Queensland time on November the 3rd, which is a Thursday, these are offered at a special discount, really special for both of them. So hopefully we'll entice you to get in quick. And if you've missed this video, if you've missed the window, then hit the subscribe button because we do weekly Wednesday specials. This is the gold one. I'll quickly show you the gold and then tell you the discount for each for the next 24 hours. Of course, the gold Krugerrand, produced since 1967. This is a coin, this particular one is from 1978. And as you know, with the gold Krugerrands, they are 22 carat. So they're not 24 carat, but there is a full 1 troy of an ounce of gold in it, but they happen to be 22 carat. So that means they do come attached with GST. So just bear that in mind when you are looking at the price, GST attached. And I'll show you this side, of course. This is the side with the springbok, so 1978 Krugerrand right there. Gold, 1 ounce fine gold right there. And of course, on the obverse is an effigy of Paul Kruger, who was one of the most well-known, of course, ex-now presidents of the South African Republic. And as the name suggests, this is a Krugerrand, so Paul Kruger, Kruger for his last name and Rand for the South African currency. So Krugerrand. So that's the gold right there. Now, we are offering this for the next 24 hours for $30 off the normal premium. So the normal price of the coin, so $30 off per coin. So right there, just a beautiful gold coin. If you don't have any of these in your stack, it might be worth at least getting one because they're just really, really cool. And the silver Krugerrand. Now, these have been produced since 2017. So a pretty new addition to the South African coinage right here, and they are not 22 carat, they're pure silver, so they don't come with GST attached. So Krugerrand at the top, the springbok 2021 fine silver, 1 ounce fine silver right there, and also of course again the effigy of Paul Kruger. And there's also an extra security feature, and I can't show you, I can't get too close with this particular camera, but it is an inscription around about where my thumbnail would be, seeing it through the glove right there. It's micro engraved with another inscription there, so an extra security feature. So the beautiful silver Krugerrand, and I don't think there's actually, I haven't seen any in stock at the moment in any other bullion dealer in Australia as far as I'm aware. You can correct me if I'm wrong. So I think we're one of the only ones that have silver Krugerrands in stock in the first place, but we're even just knocking the price down for the next 24 hours. So let me show you, let me pop that down and I'll show you over here. Let me get this right here. Got my glove on, so that makes it a little bit difficult. There we go. Okay, so what you're looking at right here is you've got a bunch of different ones. You've got the Ainslie Minted Silver Bar, the Silver Kangaroos from Perth Mint, the Austrian Philharmonics, and down here you've got the 1 ounce silver Krugerrand. Now, here's the prices as they are normally right here. So what you've got is, if you're buying singularly, that's the current price. Of course, you know that the price goes up and down based on the movement of spots, so it's not going to be this flat rate, of course. But here's the current price before the discount has been enacted. And then, of course, you've got, if you buy 25 or more, you get it for a bit of a discount off per coin. Buy 100 or more, a bit of a discount. And then the 500, the monster box, you get an even larger discount right there. So normally with the silver coin deals, we tend to, with the specials for 24 hours, we tend to give you an unlimited amount, so even buy one for the 500 price. But we're actually going to do better than that this week. We're actually going to knock another 50 cents off per coin. So rather than $1 off per coin, no matter how many you buy, you just buy one, get $1 off. We're going to do $1.50 off per coin. So see this price right here, take that off, take $1.50 off, and that's what you would be paying as of right now. Of course, again, the price floats, so keep that in mind. So an extra 50 cents off, so $1.50 off per coin for South African silver Krugerrands. And I think as far as my calculation goes, yeah, it's going to be cheaper than that. It's going to be cheaper than that. It's almost coming down to the Ainslie Minted Bar silver price, but it's definitely the cheapest for the next 24 hours, the cheapest silver 1 ounce coin on the Ainslie website. So I think that's a really good deal. And again, you can just buy one. You could buy a tube of 25. You can buy as many or as little as you want for the next 24 hours for $1.50 off per coin. I think that's pretty darn excellent. Do you think that's good? Post a comment below. If you think that's a good deal, tell us it's a good deal, and we really want to hear from you. We want your feedback as well. So that is it. Gold and silver, Krugerrands from South Africa, 24 hours, $30 off per coin for the gold and $1.50 off per coin for the silver. That's crazy in my humble opinion. And you know what to do. You want to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel for all the informational content, particularly our topics of the week, but these weekly Wednesday specials. All right, like, share, subscribe, get a purchasing. I hope you snapped it up before the deal is gone. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.